name is Okunin, and today on Godoku Tech, our subject is the Mi True Wireless Earbuds Basic. These are earbuds by Xiaomi and they cost less than $15 with shipping. I found them on Jumia for 79 Ghana cedis, which would be around $13, $13.6, and with shipping, which is 5 Ghana cedis, the price went up to 84 cedis, which is about $14. I think 14.6 thereabouts. Let me get the earbuds. Here they are. It costs less than $15. Today we have earbuds that cost $125, some even $250. So something that costs less than 15 may be something to write home about. In the box you find your wireless earbuds in their tiny charging case, 2 pairs of extra earbuds or ear tips, and a protective case that Xiaomi adds as a bonus. The protective case has this hook on it that you can maybe hang around your belt or maybe on your key holder. I'd advise against hanging it anywhere because the case opens quite easily. It's very easy to open, and around the second day of usage I was hanging it around my trousers and the case opened for one of the earbuds to fall down. But the earbuds were not damaged because I think Xiaomi built the earbuds very well. I found a solution to the earbuds opening while they are hanging by turning the case the opposite way when I'm putting it in the protective case. That way it doesn't open at all unless I'm about to use it. That's just my own, unconventional solution. I actually didn't see the case open because I was outside, but I saw the earbuds on the ground before I realized that wow, this thing has opened. So please, if you put it in a protective case, be sure not to just hang it about and leave your mind off it. Or you may try my solution where you turn the case even though you not get access to the charging port. Let's talk about the build and design of the earbuds. Xiaomi built these earbuds with this very minimalist look. Some people say what used to be called poor is now called minimalist. But I think Xiaomi is actually trying to do the minimalist design because there are others around the same price where they come with big LEDs. But Xiaomi chose a different route. The LED just appears as a dot, displays only 2 colors, red and white. When it's in pairing mode, it flashes between the red and white, and when it's paired, you see the white flashing occasionally. And this same design goes for the charging case too. You notice that the charging case doesn't have any indication for left and right. It doesn't show you its battery level. It just has one very dim LED in the front. You may not even notice. It took me a while before I even noticed it has a light on it that you can't really see in the daytime, but it also displays the same 2 colors, red and white, just like the earbuds. The case is very tiny and portable, and you may not even notice it when it's in your pocket. It's very light, tiny and portable. Some people may prefer this, but because of this tiny size of the case, you only get a 300 mAh battery to charge your earbuds. Xiaomi claims it can charge the earbuds from 0 to 100% twice. The battery life, however, Xiaomi claims is 4 hours of talk time. 4 hours of talk time may not be the same as just music listening, but I tested it where I listened to the earbuds at 20% and they lasted about 3 hours, give or take. But the left earbud died before the right earbud. It died like 30 minutes before the right earbud. So I don't know how this happens to Xiaomi because they both have the same battery at the same capacity, 43 mAh, but the right seems to last longer than the left earbud. I don't know how this happens, so maybe Xiaomi could fix it later, but I don't know. They both have different battery lives. Durability. I've already spoken about how the case has fallen. It has fallen more than once during just 1 week. It has fallen so many times, and I can say the earbuds are quite durable, even though they don't have any IP rating for water resistance. So I'll keep them away from water if I were you. But the case, however, is not as durable as the earbuds. Even though the earbuds have dropped many times without any noticeable damage, the case is damaged. The hinge for the top cover is broken. I don't even know how it got broken. One day I just realized it was broken. I don't know whether it happened whilst I was opening it. I don't know, but it is broken, and that says something about its durability. The shape actually it fits quite nicely in your ears. At least for my ears, they fit quite well. For my little brother, I had to change the tips to the small one which they included, and they also fit perfectly for him. But for me, the medium size is perfect for me. And when you put it in your ear, it really gives you some kind of noise cancellation. It's like holding your fingers in your ear, but better. It cancels out almost all noise, and I find myself using just one when I'm around people because someone may be talking to me and I may not hear it. It is not a flagship in any way, so it doesn't come with any kind of what do you call it? It doesn't come with any ambient enhancement or any kind of feature that will allow you hear outside environments. But you can try the sound amplifier app from Google, which actually allows you to have that feature where it amplifies the sounds around you. But with that, there's a bit delay. It will not be like having it directly in the earbuds. The microphones on these earbuds are not that bad. When I make calls with them, no one complains, and sometimes I even ask how the call sounds, and everyone says it's pretty normal. So if you are seeking to make calls with it, I don't think you have any problems whatsoever. Even though the earbuds come with Bluetooth 5.0, you do notice a delay when you are watching videos. The delay is almost negligible when you are watching YouTube, but in other apps you can notice that there's a slight delay. You can adjust your synchronization with apps like MX Player and VLC. That's on Android, but on my PC I didn't notice any delay, and I think that's because the PC does have better speeds and better connectivity when it comes to wireless connections. But on Android phones, I clearly noticed a delay. On the Tecno, there was more delay, and on the Samsung, the delay was a bit less. But still, it is there, and I didn't expect this because it comes with Bluetooth 5.0. The case, yeah, I forgot to say, it comes with a micro USB port at the back, but it doesn't have any wireless charging too. So micro USB, you are not future proofing yourself. In a few years to come, this would be obsolete. And no wireless charging means you always have to plug in, like every time. Nowadays, you have phones that have reverse wireless charging. It would have been nice to, place your device on the phone for it to charge. But given that it's below $15, I can't fault Xiaomi for not including it. The earbuds don't come with touch controls, but they come with buttons that you have to press. You may or may not like this, but it comes with its own advantages. Because you have to press, you'll not be given accidental commands whilst you are adjusting it in your ear. I've tried out other earbuds and it has happened to me quite a few times. I'm on the phone, and when I try to adjust it, I tap it by mistake and the call ends. So the advantage is when you adjust, you don't give accidental commands. But whenever you try to pause your music, it's very uncomfortable as it feels like you're jamming it into your ears. But I developed a technique for it where I'm able to press it and it goes against the outer part of my ear and doesn't go inside. But then you have to get used to it as you use it more often. However, you can only pause and play when it comes to media controls. I don't know why Xiaomi did this, but they thought it was more of a priority for people to be able to call their assistant. So a double press doesn't skip a track, but rather a double press would call your assistant. If you're on iPhone, maybe Siri. If you're on Android, Google Assistant. I don't know why Xiaomi did this. Personally, I prefer to skip tracks than to call my Google Assistant. And I think that's what many people or most people would prefer. But for the Xiaomi people, they thought Google Assistant would be the more preferred. I don't know their thought process for this, but I don't like it at all. Sometimes I want to skip the track without having to touch my phone, but then I can't with these earbuds. So that may be a deal breaker for you. But maybe the sound quality may convince you. The sound quality from these earbuds that doesn't imply that it's below $15. For something that costs below $15, it sounds like close to what you are getting, or maybe even better than some of the earbuds that are above $100. I'm not kidding you. I don't know if you've tried the AKG earbuds from the original ones, not the knockoffs you can find in the market, but the original ones that come with the Samsung flagships. They sound quite similar, if not better than that. The bass is quite clear, it's like thumping bass. I don't know how to express it. This is very good. I didn't expect such sound quality from earbuds that are this cheap. Also, they are so loud that I find myself listening to it at 20% most of the time. I don't go beyond 50% when I'm listening to these earbuds. Maybe when I'm in town and there's more noise, I'll crank it up to about 50%. And even when you get to 100, it doesn't distort, but they are very loud. And I think it's mostly because of the seal they give you with their wonderful, wonderful ear tips. Conclusion: should you buy these earbuds? Of course, if you don't mind not being able to skip tracks and not so long battery life. The battery life is the most disappointing part for me because most smartphone manufacturers are nowadays switching from the yes, most smartphone manufacturers nowadays are switching to, you know, all wireless. Most of them are omitting the headphone jack, and Samsung held on for quite a while, but now their flagship also don't have any headphone jacks. So if our solution is to be wireless headphones, which are more expensive than the wired ones, then they should have, you know, more convenience, more advantage than disadvantage. Yes, you get the convenience of having no wires, but then if it won't last me through the day, what's the point? But still, it wasn't that much of a bother for me as I was able to use it without that much of a hassle. So I'd recommend you buy this because of the sound quality alone. I don't think you get this sound quality on any earbuds that are around this price. It may come with a lot of disadvantages, but then the main thing at the end of the day is the sound of it. That Xiaomi did quite well. It's an A+ for me when it comes to the sound. So please buy these earbuds if you don't mind not being able to skip tracks, not so long battery life. Thanks for watching. Click the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you want more of such videos, and hit the notification bell so you are first to hear when I release the next one. Bye!